Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus sine 2x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to cosine 2x dx. First derivative of number 1, we have 0. First derivative of sine 2x, we have 2 cosine 2x. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Cosine 2x dx we change by this one. So this one we change by u to the power of negative number 4. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. Number 2 and negative number 3, we have negative 1 over 6. And this one I will put 1 over u to the power of 3. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.